Okay. Now I already put the C and the H on. Thought it might be good to see how I did the rest of them. So show you how easy it was. I watched a lot of videos and stuff on it, and they all do about the same thing. You take some alcohol and just wipe out the spot where it goes really good. Get all the dirt and such. Let that dry. I just take this piece here. Feel it. Do my best to line it up. Pretty good eye for it, I reckon. I was trying to make it a little bit more difficult than it was when I was doing the research on it. It really ain't that hard. And I just go back and just press them on really good. Wash the truck afterward, I guess. I should have washed it before, but you get the idea.